All right, chat. I want to see some sort of pullback here, potentially with with EU and GU. GU is pushing down lower, but I want to see EU push down as well. If I can see that pullback, that would be very nice. I want to see that key level get tapped with a correlated pair, though. If I get that key level to get tapped, that will be fantastic. I want to see this key level get tapped. Some sort of SMT with this key level, what could be with GU. News comes out at next couple of minutes. Yeah, 8:30 is news. I want to see some sort of pullback here before we go up higher. Any pullback. So Q is pushing though. I want to see at least if we're gonna have SMT, I want to have SMT somewhere around here. Give us that decent amount of RR because I do not want to enter trade around here. I want to see a little pullback, at least to right over here. Then push up because we're definitely gonna have an SMT with GU. Once we get the SMT with GU, then we're valid to take a setup here. Well, valid, bro, valid. In market profile, we have expansion, trace expansion. We have a reversal, retracement, expansion. SMT, reversal, retracement, expansion. I want to see some sort of retracement. Oh my god. Yo, what's good? What's good? What's good? I thought you said you looking for longs. Yes, sir. I want to look for some sort of a pullback. We already have a pullback on GU. I want to see some sort of SMT around here. But that could be potentially the news to deliver that. I don't think market will deliver that. A really shitty day though. I'm not gonna lie. It's a continuation day, but not a lot of context to be here to trade with. Tomorrow could be a lot of context because tomorrow we have a fair value gap on a daily time frame. We're gonna be leaving a daily gap here, which that gap could be retraced to, which needs to retrace to. We're going up higher. He has a big ass candle, bro. How big is this candle? Pause. Let me see the percentage. Damn, that's 237 pip. Crazy. just to the upside, and there's little bits to the downside, upside. Holy, that's a lot of crazy work. Wait, I think I can't hear you. Oh shit. Hello? Is it good? Yeah, it's good. You can hear me. Oh man, my muscles are hectic right now at the moment. It's growing, so I can say. All right, man, this is not looking good, bro. I do not want to get caught on the next candle's move here. I think we have some sort of a yeah. People are getting butt plugged on this. Hmm.
Can you go put my stuff in my car, please?
You know,
My bags, because I'm late, bro. Come on.
let's see what's crazy. Chat, I'll be right back. 1 second. I want to see how the news comes up, but I'll be right back. Chat. 1 second. I am back. I am back. Let's see. What am I gonna give the setup here today? I don't think so, but 1 minute till news. 1:20 and 1 minute and 20 seconds. All right, chat. News comes out in 30 seconds. Let's see what the news does here potentially. Five seconds. Can I get a pullback unleashed, bro? Come on. Nah, I don't think so. Yeah, we're just gonna pump. Salam alaikum, brother. Wa alaikum assalam. How was your Eid going? My Eid was beautiful, bro. Spent time with the family, with a lot of friends, and yeah, it was a beautiful Eid. How was yours, brother? DP accumulated 50 time frame? Yeah, there's a lot of accumulation here. Consolidation, there is a lot of accumulation here, yeah, in GU. I mean, it's not accumulating, but it's not performing as well as EU. Yeah, our target already got met. I don't think there'll be no setups here again. Was good, alhamdulillah. Make any profits today? No setups yet, man. My take profit just got met without any setups. I was looking for a little pullback because I don't know. I do not want to buy high. I was expecting a little pullback before it goes up higher, but fortunately just went up. He went to the Ferrari gap. Yeah, brother. I was literally waiting for the space to get tapped. Yeah, I was waiting for the pullback. Yeah, man. We gotta wait for the perfect time, man. The setup shouldn't be. It's a good high probability setup. Shouldn't be performing every single day. I mean, what I mean by that, it shouldn't be happening every single day. It should be happening once a week, usually, but usually no more than like it's gonna be rare case. It's gonna be 2 or 3, but usually it's always gonna be one high probability setup a week, highest probability in your trading guidelines. Damn, no pullback or nothing like that. I don't think we're gonna see any pullback here anymore, but that's how it's gonna be. Yes, this is the beginning. There's gonna be no pullback. Big ass range. All right, seems all right. Seems all right. Tomorrow, I think there could be a little quick Friday retracement because we have a daily Ferrari gap here going to be created. Happens, yeah, bro. This whole week, bro, market has been testing our patience here. This whole week, the predictions were all right, right? We were bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. We were all right, but setup is setup, man. This one we were right to the downside. Wait, that's not Monday. Monday right over here, we were right to the downside. He went to the downside. Tuesday we were right again, went to the downside, but no setup. But overall, you can see why the probability matters so much, right? You can see Monday when he delivered, right? We went to our direction. Every day went to our direction. Monday went to our direction. Tuesday went to our direction. Wednesday went to, Tuesday went to our direction. Wednesday went to our direction, and Thursday today went to our direction as well. But you can see overall failed, You know what I'm saying? This one right over here failed as well. So that's why it matters for you guys so much to know the the probability based game. I ain't gotta set up this week limo, which is a good thing, man. You want to preserve capital for this very few moments where you can make a lot of money short amount of time. If you don't do that and you waste your setups on the suboptimal setups, you're not gonna have any capital left to trade those good, high probability setups when they do occur. But I think, chat, next month I may do a challenge. I may do a challenge of me doing a compound interest account. That's what I'm probably gonna do next month. Probably gonna put down 2,000 and compound interest to 10,000 and all forward. It's gonna take a long time. It's gonna be a long journey. It's probably gonna be like I'm not gonna lie, like a 2 to 3 years journey. I'm gonna put a live account in an actual regulated broker. I will not be using unregulated brokers, bro, because the spread was 5 pips on the unregulated broker and I got clapped. That's the beauty of trading. Say you didn't trade the whole week, the following Monday comes and you see A+ setup, you can make that whole week back. Yes sir, bro. Because one high probably setup can give you a what, 6 RR, 7 RR. Keep in mind, hedge funds, they don't make 15. They barely make 15% a month. Then they guarantee you 15%. They usually fail to do that, right? They fail on their promises that they make to their investors, how much they're gonna make on a monthly basis. Which, even if they don't make money that month, they're gonna still even if they lose money that month, guess what? You gotta pay them, because that's called the management fee. You managing their money, so they need to get paid regardless, and they get paid big chunks, bro. This week was bad because of CPI. Nah, bro, this week was good. As I told you guys on Tuesday, CPI is gonna be the one to deliver to the higher time and general liquidity, right? Because the higher time and general liquidity, our higher time and general liquidity, the weekly time frame was wrong, right? But guess what? CPI showed the way, and guess what? Even the higher time and general liquidity was wrong, we were still correct. How? Because we prioritize the short-term general liquidity. If we don't know what's the long-term general liquidity, then short-term general liquidity is gonna naturally lead it to the long-term general liquidity, where it's gonna be very clear for you to know, okay, this is where the market is potentially gonna go to. Alright, that's why it matters for you guys to prioritize the short-term general liquidity, which I lost a lot of money when I didn't prioritize. At first I didn't notice it until I lost a lot of money. Eventually I started noticing that the short-term general liquidity matters way more than the long-term. Because I'm trading on a 15-minute, 5-minute time frame, 1-minute time frame. Why do I care about the long term? Because long term, it's just one big candle, right? If you go to long term drawn liquidity, it's just one big candle. You know what I'm saying? So, but in lower time frame, to make that one big candle, market needs to go through phases. It's bullish season tendency, bearish seasonal tendencies, and get up to that, big candle. On a 12-month time frame, I'm predicting for the market to go all the way up to this high, which it will go to. I don't know if it's gonna go this year, probably gonna go next year, but we'll definitely head back up because my boy EU has been losing a lot of value, so he needs to go back up to a position where he has a lot of value again. Range was kept. Or I low key, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I like ranging markets way more than the trending markets. Trending market is very hard to catch a move in. It's very hard to predict where the market's gonna go to. Ranging market, you're just buying low, selling high, buying low, buying deep retracement, selling deep retracement when you're in a range. That's why when I was here, right, when the market was down here, that's why I was so confident for the market to go up even higher to this high. This is a monthly time frame, right? Because of the ranges here, which that's why when you're in a range, it's much easier for you to trade because it's very clear targets. When you're not in the range, you gotta hope that You gotta have some hopes, because otherwise, if you're wrong, you're gonna pay the price. So even if the next candle opens up, I need the market to go below this 6 a.m. candle because of the key level. This auto block is not a key level. How come it's not a key level? It didn't purge or fill any liquidity, so it's not a key level. Interesting day again, huh? I think tomorrow should be the one to deliver a good setup to the downside. I don't know. I don't know what's gonna be tomorrow. I gotta see at 5 a.m. when I wake up because I don't like to predict the day. I don't like to predict the day to come because I'm not in that day. I gotta be present moment. This is it, chat. I mean, we can't do much, man. We can't do much. But you can see this. We're right every time, like 90% of the time. Not 100, not 100. It was 100 times. Where's my $1 billion mansion, huh? When will MT5 come back, bro? I don't like MT4, bro. I was running MT4 recently, bro. I don't like that. Because the mechanic of it is not that well, bro. I don't like MT4. Bro, my broker just said they offer MT5, but you are a USA citizen. What you mean? What you offering it, bro? Why you put that on my option? Aren't you guys a regulated broker? Bro, I may go to wait. What is MRH trading? What are you doing, my feet? Downstairs. Oh wow, they fully bought that shit. What? Chat. They literally changed the whole freaking Amari TD trading whole name to Charles Schwab. What the fuck? You fucking asshole. Damn, that's crazy, bro. They bought. You see, this is what we gotta do, bro. We gotta buy up another whole company, bro. They bought a whole another company. They put as their own name now. Oh wow, they do it. Thinkorswim, right? Yeah. That's Oh yeah, look at this shit, chat. They bought the whole company up. The last time I checked, Amari TD trading was still in it still was still some sort of in power, right, over Charles Schwab. But now Charles Schwab took the whole fucking business, bro. I hate Charles Schwab because Charles Schwab is it's an it's like what $11 trillion hedge fund. It's a fucking hedge fund, bro. $11 trillion hedge fund, or it's like a something about capital. And these motherfuckers are fucking ruthless. He'll fuck your shit up. I mean, this is a trading platform, so it shouldn't fuck you up. But most of the time, when they buy a fucking firm, or I'm not a firm, when they buy a company, they want to milk it. If it gets destroyed, it gets destroyed, right? But this one shouldn't be doing that because this man has been in the industry for a long time, as well as this right over here. Because when I first traded, I went to MRT trading, but that time I didn't even see Charles Schwab being in there. Now there's Charles Schwab. Charles Schwab is that $11 trillion company, like in a hedge fund. Like it's not his money, but it's the investors, right? Combined. Okay. These motherfuckers are so powerful. Look, they put that the whole business is just the guy's name. That's some powerful shit, bro. He probably bought that shit for billions, bro. Charles Schwab's statement regarding final MRTT trading, Amari Trade Transition Group. Charles Schwab Corporation has completed its fifth and final round of client account transitions associated with a condition, which is a marking completion of historic integration over the $300 billion in assets to Charles Schwab, the final 10% of total. I'm gonna see. When I first came around. Oh yeah, they took out the empty file, so they put Amara TT Trading. I mean, they put Thinkorswim. How did I see in YouTube? What is Thinkorswim fucking broker? Okay, I got the answer now. All right, chat. I'm done for the day. I'll just do some analysis paralysis on the broker. My broker is charging me a little too high, right? I'm gonna lie to you. But I'll see you guys later, though. We'll see you guys later. I don't. There's gonna be a market recap coming out, but I'm not gonna fucking take any more trade. Although they may, because the market is reflecting out of a card. I would need the market to go all the way down here in order for me to take a trade. But I'm done for the day. I'll see you guys later. Beautiful day. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. There's gonna be a market recap here. Yeah. See you guys later. Peace out. What's up, Taki? What's good, my boy Cartel XLY? Cartel, I know you Spanish boy. Or Cartel. You, que paso? Que paso? Que paso? That's what you